If you live in Jennings and are wondering whether it's time to call in the pros for window installation, you're not alone. Many homeowners wrestle with deciding when to replace or repair old windows. Sometimes, it's tempting to delay the job or even attempt a DIY fix. But ignoring certain warning signs can lead to bigger issues down the road, including energy loss, water damage, or even safety hazards. Here are the clear signs that it's time to contact a professional window installation service in Jennings. Drafts and higher energy bills. Have you noticed a sudden spike in your heating or cooling costs? Drafty windows are one of the biggest culprits. If you feel a breeze coming in around the window frame, or if your HVAC system seems to be working overtime, your windows could be to blame. Professional installation ensures a tight seal, helping your home stay comfortable year-round and saving you money on your energy bills. Difficult operation. If your windows stick, refuse to open, or won't close all the way, that's more than an inconvenience, it's a safety issue. Windows should open and close smoothly so you can ventilate your home and have a safe exit during emergencies. Warped frames, broken balances, or failing locks can all make windows hard to operate. A professional installer will address these issues and restore full functionality. Noticeable moisture or condensation. Foggy windows or condensation between the panes are classic signs of a failed window seal. Once that seal is broken, your windows lose their insulating ability. You might also see mold, mildew, or even water pooling on your sills, leading to wood rot and poor air quality. Professional installers can replace the failed windows and install energy-efficient units to keep moisture out. Outside noise getting your home should be a peaceful retreat, but poor window performance can let in every car horn and barking dog from outside. Modern windows are designed to reduce noise thanks to improved seals and glass technology. If you notice sound is traveling right through your windows, it's a good reason to have them replaced by a professional. Rotting or damaged frame. Over time, window frames, especially wooden ones, can deteriorate due to moisture, insects, or general wear and tear. Soft, crumbling wood or visible damage around the frame can compromise your home's structure and security. This is a clear signal that it's time to call in a professional to inspect the damage and install new windows properly. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, it's not just about function but also about aesthetics. Old, dated windows can make your whole home look tired and worn. New professionally installed windows can give your house a modern refresh while improving energy efficiency and boosting its market value. You're planning a remodel. If you're remodeling your home, it's the perfect moment to think about new windows. Coordinating with a professional window installer during the renovation helps you get the best fit and finish, ensuring the style and function match your new space. Why choose professional window installation in Jennings? While DIY projects are great for some homeowners, window installation isn't one of them. Poorly installed windows can lead to water leaks, structural problems, and avoided warranty. Professional installers have the tools, training, and know how to ensure your windows are put in correctly the first time. They can spot hidden damage, help you choose the best materials for Jennings climate, and guarantee long-lasting results. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, don't wait until small issues turn into expensive repairs. Call a trusted local professional for window installation in Jennings and protect your home, comfort, and investment.